Hello, this is Jeannie. Happy summer. I am slowly but surely getting through my stash of stuff, and I just wanted to share real quick one of the things I was doing this summer. I had purchased a scrap rack and a brand new one, and watching Totally Tiffany and how she organizes hers and stuff. And I find I'm not using my stash like I could be. And her system seems reasonable to me that I could possibly use my stash a little bit more if it were out and open and being able to see everything that I have. So anyway, that's what I'm busily doing right now. I can show you, I have pages right there that I'm trying to fill up. The good news is that there for a while, because of COVID, you couldn't hardly get a hold of her pages, so I kind of put off buying the system, but now I have it. I'm pleased with what I'm doing so far. Anyway, I will put you on pause for just a minute and I'll show you what I'm emptying right now and what I'm filling up. So this is one of the containers that I'm trying to empty. I find that even though everything was labeled, because of everything being different themed and all that, I was not using it like I should have been. I'm ashamed to say how old some of those things are, and I'm actually putting those in a container probably to give away. Anyway, so there's that. So that's what I'm working on today. And here's the scrap rack. It fits on this little table of mine perfectly. And what I have done, I've pretty much used her system of, she talks about putting alphas in the front and then themed ideas, so stickers and things that I have. And right now I'm working on my labeling. And so far I like it, and I'm sure I'll love it once it gets all done. But anyway, that's what I was showing today, and just wanted to bring you along and show you what I've been doing so far. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed day, everyone.